Hello everyone, Grandma here. Today I am making fried cabbage and potatoes. This is a very simple recipe and a very old recipe that my family ate during the Great Depression. This is a recipe that people often ate in the winter since potatoes and cabbage kept well during the colder months. To make it, I am using a half of an onion, chopped onion, 2 tablespoons of butter, 4 cut up potatoes, 1 small head of cabbage that I chopped up. The first thing I'm doing is I'm going to melt the butter on medium heat. As soon as the butter melts, I'm going to cook up my onions. If you don't want to use butter, you could use oil or bacon grease in your skillet. The butter's melted, so now I'm adding my chopped onion. And I'll cook this till it's translucent. The onions look nice and done now and soft. The potatoes are going to be put in to be cooked. Now I'm going to add the cabbage on top. It looks like a lot, but cabbage cooks down. As it's cooking, it cooks down. So now all this has to do is just cook well, and that's how this meal is very simple and easy to make. I'll lower the heat a little bit and let it cook now. I'm adding a little bit of water to the cabbage, and then I'm going to cover it now and let it cook till it's done. Cabbage and potatoes are all done, and it took 15 minutes to cook. So this is a very simple meal if you have potatoes and cabbage and some onions in the house. We're having the potatoes and cabbage with applesauce for dinner. You can also eat it with sour cream or ketchup. So how does it taste, Grandpa?
Let you know in a minute, Ma. Good, very good. Cabbage is soft, potatoes are soft, has a nice tasty flavor to it. You did a good job, Ma.
Thank you, Pa. And I know you'd like this meal because we just loved cabbage. We love anything with cabbage, right, Pa?
Yes.